let me hear it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here, and we are turning up the heat again in today's video. I am super excited to show you guys what I have in store. Now, y'all know I'm on a hair growth journey, and I love protective styling in order to grow my hair. And in today's video, no, I'm not showing you a headband wig. I'm also not showing you clip-ins, crochet braids, any of that. And for my girls who have to rush out, run errands, and you usually grab a hat, or you may have to deep condition and you're in a rush, y'all, I got you. What I'm going to show you guys today is a game changer. Now, I am going to show you guys what I use on my natural hair in order to grow it a little later on. But y'all, HerGivenHair has released a new unit. And when I tell you, don't click off this video, your wig game is about to go to another level with this one. The price point is great. It is a put on and go pineapple wig. Well, I don't even know if it's considered a wig, but I guess. What? Like, it is crazy good. It always amazes me what these companies come up with in order to solve a problem. And this is such an easy, convenient, protective style that will save you so much time, allow you to give your natural hair a break while also growing it in the process. Y'all, this is just ridiculously crazy awesome. It was constructed so well, and it's not a headband wig. So once again, this is a put on and go pineapple wig. And the way the cap is constructed, it has a wrap around the entire circumference of the unit, and there's a drawstring in the back, which allows you to adjust it and mold it to fit your head just perfectly. It also has combs for added security, along with a stiff layer of material, which keeps the cap standing upright so that it stays in that pineapple form. Y'all, to be honest, this is probably the coolest wig construction I've ever seen. I'm so in love with this whole little setup. I can't even, I'm having a hard time articulating for this one. But I'm putting it on my mannequin head so that you all can see it up close and personal to see what I mean, how amazing this is. Y'all, I tried to explain it to my husband and he was blown away. He couldn't even understand what this was. It just looks so natural. And y'all already know I got mine in the coily texture, but it also comes in the kinky as well as the curly texture. And it comes in lengths 8 all the way up to length 14. Mine is in length 14, and I'd recommend length 14 because you can do so much with it at that length. And it's only $147. Wow. Now I'm going to get into more of the specifics later on, but y'all know I have to wash and condition this hair. I love to use the Aussie 7-in-1 Miracle Conditioner, and I also like to use the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush in order to define the curls. So after wetting the hair down, I'm going to go in with that conditioner using my detangling brush. I'm going to define those curls, and let me tell you, this brush causes the curls to pop. So now that the hair is freshly washed, this is what it looks like. And it's time to add our stylers. I'll be adding the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream, as well as my favorite staple, which is the All Natural Curl Defining Glaze by Dark and Lovely. So I'm going to layer these two products and then go back in with my detangling brush in order to further define the curls.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my arm doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours.
Alright, so now that I've allowed the hair to air dry overnight, y'all, it looks so good. I cannot wait to try it on. But this is how it looks. You don't necessarily have to let it air dry. You can dry it by using a diffuser, but I like to air dry mine. And with the products that were used, that coconut curling cream does cause there to be a hold and a slight bit of a cast. But once you actually fluff the hair out, the hair will be soft and also still be moisturized. Alright, so now let's get into my natural hair growth routine. I'm not sure if you all remember when I went to the salon to get a silk press, my stylist mentioned some products that were really great for your natural hair. One being the leave-in conditioner. This one is the Replenishing leave-in, and this one is loaded with such amazing ingredients like rice protein. It has silk amino acids, keratin, amla, and hibiscus. And some of these are Ayurvedic treatments, y'all. And y'all know I was using those last year and they were really helping to grow my hair. So it's really nice to find a leave-in that has all of these ingredients. And I'm also using the oil from their line. Now, I recently went to the salon and did an undercare appointment, and this is how the stylist braided my hair. She told me throughout the week to spray on the leave-in and then follow it up with the oil and do a scalp massage in order to promote hair growth. So this is my routine 3 times a week, and I'm supposed to do the scalp massage for 3 to 5 minutes. And for those who are unaware, scalp massages are really great for promoting blood circulation, which can encourage hair growth, and it helps to stimulate the hair follicles so that your hair grows in thicker. And y'all know I really want thick, long, beautiful hair.
Yeah. It's just a drive. You know what it is. Yeah. Woodstock free vibes on me. Music ease my lonely. Yeah. Hey. I've been up since I don't know where young. Trying to create a vibe. Trying to get these hours in. Punching the clock, I get it. Gotta go hard with it. 100, I'ma start with it. Coach looking for starters. Hop in the game, I'm like Harden. Ballin' harder than Spalding. Ballin' harder than Spalding. Yeah.
Alright, now that I've given my hair the proper TLC, I'm going to put on my wig cap and then begin installing the wig. And y'all, this is probably the easiest wig you'd ever have to install. It really amplifies the phrase beginner friendly. This one requires no explanation, but for those who may need it, you just put the wig cap on, and I'm sure when you do, you'll be in awe just like me. And after doing that, there are combs on the side, so I just proceed to insert the combs on the side. Following that step, I'm going to adjust the drawstring in the back, and then I'm going to decide to fluff the hair at the top, but you can leave it as is.
Yeah. We put in this work, you know this. Early birds don't do no chirping. No. She sing my catalog, I said I'm proud of them. She sing my catalog like la 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 la.
Alright, so now that I have everything fully secured, I love that you can just tuck the drawstring under the cap, which is really cool, and it looks like it was never even there. It's concealed, and it looks like I just have on a turban or some form of head wrap. So now we're going to fluff and separate the curls, but I do want to mention that this cap is the only cap option on the website. So this design is what it's going to come with, but you aren't necessarily limited to just having this cheetah print design. You can absolutely take a head wrap or a turban and place it over this. That way you have the flexibility to try different designs and colors so that you can match your outfits and everything. I hope that makes sense, but you're not stuck, guys.
I'm a boss, yeah, I'm a lie, yeah, I've arrived, say ooh la la. I'm a rocket, a winning ticket, cause when I rock it, they wanna kick it. Just let them watch, who I'm going hard.
So now now I'm going to show you all some styles. You can wear the unit as is, or you can put it up in a puff, and I'm going to use an elastic band in order to do so. I'm going to show you guys a bun style and other styles that you can do with this unit. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and also on TikTok. I cannot wait to hear your comments and feedback. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Just let 'em watch, let 'em watch. Ooh, I'm going hard. Ooh, I'll never stop, yeah. Just let 'em watch, let 'em watch. Ooh, I'm going hard. Ooh, I'll never stop, yeah, yeah. You love to see it, you know I do. All of the things, 'cause I don't lose. I shouldn't stop, that never stops. I'm going far, just let 'em watch. Oh yeah, I'm hot, man on the wire, yeah, I'm on top. I don't panic, 'cause this a cruise. This is easy, it's what I do.